dude. MasterTech is really a special place for people to bring iconic vehicles. We want to showcase things that are not normal and that are just out there. We've had Dave Can Dig, we've had Chip Foose bring their vehicles. Mark Fukuda has brought his van. And so this year is super special, the Terminator and Wayne Harris. And this is one of those things that is so iconic and special. It doesn't happen all the time. It actually might never happen again. Wayne has been working on this thing for months and months. Let me just tell you that. Wayne's bringing the Terminator to the MasterTech Expo. And knowing that, we've made special arrangements. Thursday night is a very, very special moment. We're going to have a really cool interview. So Gary Bell, Matt Schaeffer, they do a podcast called The Old Fashioned. It's super popular and they've interviewed anyone who's doing anything in our world, in the industry, basically, from a designer, audio, you name it, they've been on there. They're gonna interview Wayne live and actually ask him questions, candid questions, and do a full walkthrough. And then Wayne's gonna get into the nooks and crannies. He's gonna get into the nitty gritty and talk about how it's built, take it apart, flip the amp rack, and just walk you through that whole process on his mindset back then and now and how he's rebuilt it. And you're gonna see this live on this massive screen. And it's a one-time deal. Like, I can't stress that enough. That I think this will never happen again just like this. It's only gonna be this one night, Thursday night, March 12th. So that's gonna be super cool. Hey, if you're not registered, you gotta be there. MasterTech, Terminator, you can still register, get your ticket, be there. You're gonna have FOMO if you do not. One little nugget about Wayne. He's very secretive. We all know this. He calls me one day and he says, dude, you know, you could come and see the Terminator here in my hangar. And I'm like, really? And I go, well, where's it at? And he goes, I can't tell you. And I'm like, what are you talking about, Wayne? He goes, I'll let you come. Probably you're one of the only people I'll let come, but you gotta leave your phone with cease because I don't want it triangulated and anyone to find out where my GPS location is. 2026 and I've still never even seen this car.